Marcus, this Locust burial site. Have you been there?
Once, 25 years ago, James's mother and I went down to supervise the disposal. By then, the grubs' bodies were completely covered in that crystal shit. Pretty much indestructible. So they sealed them up and walked away.
Okay, I gotta know. Do you think the locusts are back?
Don't know yet. That's the one nice thing about being old. You don't have to have an opinion about everything.
Wind's picking up.
Yeah, nothing to worry about yet, though.
Keep your eyes open.
Wait. What the hell was that?
Oh, I'm sure we'll find out.
That didn't sound like an animal.
Never said it did.
Hey, there's water here.
Pretty sure that's how you get dysentery.
Let's assume I'll live.
Oh, what the? I think something's above us.
Yeah, I know. Keep calm.
Oh, shit.
Guys, wind flare coming in fast!
Head for the fort! Come on!
Whoa!
Go, go!
Don't stop! Keep going!
Something just ahead!
Through here!
Get inside! Never a dull moment with you kids, huh?
Not lately, no.
We should be safe in here until that wind flare passes.
What's that?
I have no idea. See where it leads.
It's glowing.
Through here. What is this?
You all right?
Yeah, but covered in this shit.
Well, you're glowing now, so that's good.
Come on. Whatever climbed out of that thing went this way.
Hey, wait a minute. There's something in there.
Cut it open.
Not sure that's a good idea, Dad.
Yeah, me neither.
Oh, that's nasty.
Jin's disappearances. I think we just found them.
They're harvesting us. If this is what happens to people they capture... Oh, God, Mom.
Kate, hey, come on. We'll get her back, all right?
We need to find that mine. Come on.
Huh. More pods. What the hell's going on here?
Whatever it is, this ain't Locust. Never seen anything like it.
Marcus Phoenix is stumped. That is so not a good sign.
Guys, above us.
I told you, stay calm and keep moving. Get down.
That thing's been following us since we got here. I'm gonna flush it out.
What? How? Yeah, that works.
When it bolts, take it out. Got it?
Got it.
Mom back. Now what the hell do we do?
That thing, I can't believe it. It just swallowed him.
Oh! All right, stop! He's gone. But he's not dead. They're taking people and using them. We know that process takes some time. So right now, we go after my dad. We need him.
And what if we can't get him back?
Then, I guess we're all alone out here.
Fuck.
Okay, so now what?
Now we go to where they're taking him.
Where's that?
The same place he was taking us. That Locust burial site.
All right, let's get out of here and track the one that took Dad. Ugh. Guys, this way.
Sounds like they're moving deeper into the fort.
And so are we. Oh, God. It's another one of those pods. Ah!
Keep it back! What the hell are these things anyway?
Fast as shit, that's what! Left, left, left!
I see him, I see him! They keep dodging!
My advice?
There! They're all over the place!
I can't believe this shit. We got monsters.
Are you alright?
I think so, but there is a lot of that shit down here.
Can you get back up?
No, you guys calm down, but just watch it.
Oh man, you were kidding.
We need to get out of here.
So these pods, they're incubators. We're put in.
And they come out. We need to find my dad, and soon. Oh, I think I got some in my mouth.
Oh, how's it taste?
How do you think it tastes?
Bad, probably.
Ah! Wait, what was that?
Over there, that's the one!
Come on, get after it!
More of those goddamn things.
Is that it? Are we clear?
I think so. Yeah.
Nice try! It's dead!
All right. Oh, shit! Damn it! Wow. Give me a hand with this.
So we follow this snatcher thing. Then what?
Then we find my dad, Reyna, and everyone else they snatched.
Yeah, okay. But what if it wants us to follow it?
And it's making a big mistake.
Hey, there's a snot bubble up there.
So you're not even a little bit curious?
Static must be Dad's radio. Come on, he's gotta be close.
Over there!
Head toward that tram station. Let's go.
Right there! Somebody shut that thing up! Watch it!
So fast!
Dad, they're pissed off!
So fast now.
They just keep coming!
Stop, shit! All right, that's over. Now let's get to that tram station.
So, whose fort was this? The Cogs?
Well, the cog
Use it as a field hospital. Actual fort is from
way before the cog. Seriously, like,
Kings and Wizards days.
Kings and...
Wizards.
Hey, listen, I'm trying to give you some rich...
Let's see what this does.
What the hell?
JD.
What the hell just happened?
They get upgraded!
Can we downgrade it?
Damn it.
Hey, try flanking them!
Clean shot.
These guys are smarter.
They're not smarter than us. What are you saying?
Not than us, than before.
Okay, that's all of them.
I do not like those guys.
Did they just crawl out of an emergence hole? Hey, guys.
No, I don't think so. It's like some kind of nest. Oh, shit! Oh, yeah! Come on, through that door.
Great! There's even more of them up here!
Grab the pod for cover!
Ah, good. Ammo. Across the way!
They're coming around! Look out!
I'd say it's about time we got the hell out of here.
Hey, are we not gonna talk about what happened back there? With the nest? I mean, what the hell was that?
It looked like they were transforming.
Wait, you mean like evolving? Shouldn't that take a lot of time?
Well, some insect juveniles can become drones in days. Hours even.
So, juvies and drones. Juvies and drones of what?
I have a feeling we're gonna find out. Graveyard. That's a good omen. Ah, shit! Another nest!
We gotta get a frag in there!
Sniper, on the left! Ah! Oh, frag! Back in your hole! Beautiful thing! Throw down! Oh, this went everywhere! Frag out! Back in your hole! It's over. We're clear. The new or old definition. Come on, let's get to the tram station.
We need to get inside before this weather gets any worse. There it is again. Marcus's radio.
So it's close. Come on. There!
God damn it. Oh, shit.
Okay, you're a big fella. Easy now. Oh, that's not good. Get into cover!
Watch out for the quills!
Ah, damn it! Got it! That's it!
Take it!
Two more of them! Help, get it off me!
Protect your ass!
Snatchers weren't bad enough. Now we have these Pouncer things to worry about?
Yeah. The way this night's going, it's only gonna get worse. Ah! I'm never gonna get used to that. Okay, here we go. Oh, shit!
Tram's here.
Yeah, well, as long as it still runs, we should be okay. Ah!
Well, there we go. At least the tram's still on the tracks.
Oh, come on. Seriously?
Counterweight's dragging. Go. I got this.
Hey, you alright?
Yeah. No. I'm sorry I got your dad mixed up in this. If I had any idea,
No, Kate.
any idea that saving my mom and you may be losing...
Hey, we haven't lost anyone yet.
Can't this thing go any faster?
Not with that counterweight dragging.
Huh, counterweight, huh?
Well, that was my first and last time on a funicular.
Funicular, huh?
Funicular. What? It's a word.
Marcus said the Locust burial site was inside a mine, right? But we're following the Snatchers up to a museum of all places.
Hey, I'm open to suggestions if anyone has a better plan.
Nope.
Not
Oh, this is I hate this. Oh. Come on, outside. Smart! Okay, here we go! Locked and loaded! Good bullet. Watch that drone! Oh, I got this. All right, that's done. So let's keep heading up. Get back on that Snatcher's trail. Take that.
Snatcher! Over there, by the old barracks!
It's probably headed for the high ground, at the fort's keep.
Okay, so that's where we're going.
Again! I thought we were looking
Oh,
for a
shit.
mine!
God damn it, more juvies! Fire in the hole!
Let's close that! I got a juvie!
Nice! Back in your nest!
Snipers! Grab some cover!
You see that? Above us? Back to where you came from.
Well, the good news is, as long as we keep finding Swarm, at least we're on the right track. Let's head through these barracks. Oh,